for today's episode, subscribers. So with this clock, we got this clock off of. We bought this clock off eBay. We won it in an auction, and it looks like the chains are frozen, and it needs some oiling. Other than that, it looks like it's in pretty great shape. Very hard to find all this wood carved, hand wood carved. Look at this huge, huge piece of wood, that single piece of wood they carved it out of. Very impressive.
That's what she said. She said. She said. What she said. What she said. This is the gong that's attached. It was attached to the. And that's the provision. That's how it's not. But the clock's fine.
So as long as you keep your wheels, your internal gears lubricated, you shouldn't have too many problems. The problems come in when you don't lubricate your gears and you don't keep your clock running at the same time. So you get dust buildup and oil buildup, and it starts to form solid pieces, and that's what they say when they say that it's, things are frozen and they're not moving, because all that stuff is kind of formed together and gotten hard, so the wheels are not able to turn anymore, the gears. And that's when you have a lot of problems. And that's why you see these clocks that stop working, because when they try to get them started again, because they've been sitting for so long without any kind of lubricant. And that is the issue, my friends. That's why you must maintain your clock.
Hey, Cuckoo, you're getting fed. Time for dinner. It's time for dinner time, Pencil. And like I said, this is the whole Cuckoo clock.